Everyone knows that the food is as important to Disney visit as the attractions. The choices are unlimited, but I strongly recommend the flavorful twist of grilled corn on the cob with a touch of African-inspired seasonings, bringing the magic of curry to every delicious bite. The char of the grill, the aroma of spices, and the sweet juiciness of corn create a fabulous culinary experience. Be prepared to savor the fusion of flavors and embark on a culinary journey that celebrates the harmonious blend of cultures and the joy of good food. Bon appetit!